Dear colleagues, we hope that you are safe and healthy. On behalf of the Aleksanteri Conference 2020, Eurasia and Global Migration, and our organizing committee, I wish to inform you that after considering all the options that are before us during this very unusual time of global pandemic, we have come to the conclusion that it is our social responsibility to postpone the Aleksanteri Conference to next year. We want all our colleagues around the world to be able to participate in our conference. We wish to thank all of those who have submitted proposals, and we will continue with new submission timetable next year in 2021. I want to take this opportunity to already welcome all of you to our conference next year to the University of Helsinki to discuss Eurasia and global migration in October 2021.